So I'm back. As I say, we will check in. We'll check the user account, the account the user used to, the account the user are using to connect to website. So here we make sure that here in our user model we have a valid email. So here it's a valid email. Adjusting that variable verified email. Yes. So here we say that we start with the template. So I do not have a template for this. Maybe I think I have welcome email. So actually that will be a welcome email. So inside this welcome email we have thank you for signing up to our service. Everything is over to be on. So here we say that we want something that say here I will say that we want something that say to validate your account you need maybe here I will say okay, this one I will remove this line and put this line into a paragraph and remove this break here, and after removing this break I will say here please click the link below. Please click the link below to validate your account. The link below to validate your account, and after that we'll have a little break here, and the link below will be this one. Like in the account recovery, say you have a link like this. Activate your account. Here I say I have a link with a target blank map. To open in a new tab, and now I think we are good. So now we'll go back to the endpoint, the sign up from endpoint, so the authentication controller, and here we will say we want to send an email like here, so we say we copy that, and we say we want here after we save our user here, after we created our user and generate a token, we say we want to send an email, and our created user, we get our created user. So we use our created user email, our created user full name. So we say if our created user exists, maybe that will be simple. If our created user, we will send our email quickly. Remove remove this check. And so we send our, so I activate your account. We say from Lightspeed checkout. And now we create our link like here. Like here we create our link, and our link here, we say we just want a token, so that will be the application. So we have app, and then we have token app activate. Maybe yes, we get back inside the dashboard. So we have app, so that will be the dashboard that we manage it. We say we will do that inside the dashboard. Maybe the dashboard, yes. Or once the user activates his account, yes, we have the inside the dashboard, and we have a token, and this token will be the one the user generated here. No. Actually, we say we generate another token that is available for 24 hours, because if the user didn't validate his account inside this amount of time, the token will be expired. So actually, here we say that yes, we say that the token is expired in 1 day. So I think we use the same token because this is what we are need. So we just use this one because same. We use this token, and now that we have our token, we say that we send account validation link, and here I'll say that we want validation link, and we use the email, the full name, and we will go back here and we duplicate this method here inside our email service. So we say we want this function, and we want the welcome email, because we can actually rename this, but we say that we want just our welcome email, our welcome. We actually want our welcome email .html, and we want our welcome email .html. We replace the full name and the link, and that's it. I think we just after that we send. Okay, so I think that's it. I think. So we will just log in, just the user who already have activated his account, his account, and we use that in the graph. So in the authentication graph, we check if the token is not expired, and if the account is verified. So That's it. So now we test again. We test email, test for email to create a new account. So let's go back to our sign up form, our register form, sorry, but it's same actually. So let's go back here. We say test 3, test 4, test for email, test for mail.com, and say password. Okay. Why I get that the screen should have a minimum of one symbol. Okay. I think I missed something. Let's go back to the password validation here instead. Password validation service. So we got a error message that say okay. I think I can see why here we need to have true here. Here we need a true value and the message, and here we need a new message, so here we need a new value. So here we'll say our password. Okay, good. And let's say test for, and here we say test for that email, and agree with them, and we register. So that's actually work. Let's check our failure message because this email doesn't exist. So the message is sent. We can see that here, and what we got here. Okay, I think we forgot actually to set up the origin URL. So here we need to also set up the origin URL while we are creating a new password. So here we'll say that we want a user with the origin URL equal to Windows location and origin. Okay, we are not receiving anything. Sorry. Let's test again. We test 5. Test 5. Mail.com and say password. Agree with them and register. And see if we got something. Nope. Okay, yes, we got it. Okay. This is actually because we are not receiving the failure validation notice. So failure email notice. So here in sent message we can have this, and we activate our account. So you can see that okay, because we do not have this route. This is because we are not we not already have our dashboard route. So this is great. We can do this actually right now. So right now we will go back to our front side, and in our module admin module we already have a dashboard module, but what we will do is that we will create inside our root module we have a dashboard module, but inside our dashboard routine we will have a patch that is called token, and like here we have token, and then we have our token. Then we have our token. So if we try again, okay, still not can reach our roots. So that's what again, but cannot. Okay, sorry guys, I have a slash here. Let's try again. So here you can say that we have our token, everything else, and here we say that if we have a success message, we will say our token. We say your account is validated. So actually, let's go back in the dashboard component here, and we will get our token. We say private token string, yeah, and we get the token from the activated current route, activated route, and we say here that we want to, if we have a token here, we say that we want to check for check activated account. You want to check activated account. So if we have a token, or if we have a token, we can actually basically what we have here, we have this activated group snapshot param, and we say we want the token. Let me check actually if this is, I just forgot about, always forgot how to get a param from the root. So this is actually what I did. Okay, same thing. So we have the same thing. So if you have the token, we display a message that our account is valid. So the message will be something like that. We have public. So all the public must be before all the private. So we have a public verified email message. Here we have a string. Say if we have a token that is valid. Yes, we will use the helper actually. So same here, go back inside the reset password and grab that comment document, and actually grab also the token is expired. Maybe I should have also a service for this. I think I need to use a service. Maybe just grab that and format the document. After that, and we just in our constructor init our helper. We will init our helper, and then we will verify if the token is expired. If we have a token, so only if we have the token, and if we have the token, and if this token is not expired, yes, if the token is not expired, what we do is that we will display the message. So verify email. If you have a token and the token is not expired, we display a message like like this. So we have a translate service. We have a translate service, and we say that I like to inject a service like this. So we have a translate service, and we say that we want to translate this message. We will add later. So app verified that verified email, and we say that here we want to check verified account. So we have this message displayed here inside the dashboard. Here we have so here we will say we want the same translation key. So in French we say votre. Sorry. Here we say votre adresse email a été vérifiée avec succès. Okay, now you can see if we reload, that say that. But if we remove, we have the message if we reload. But if we remove the token route and see on dashboard, you can see that we do not have the message. So great. Now what we'll do is we will comment this one to save more time. We always generate our comment if the token is not expired, then display a message to the user. And here we'll say want to also generate a doc for this one. And for our constructor also, we want to display a message. We want to generate a comment, sorry. And here for the token, from account verification email. So verification email message. So that's it. Actually, we got our verification done. So let's go back actually to our authentication side. So what we'll do now is that we will redirect to what we'll do now is that we have our authentication module already. We will each time we want to we redirect all the requests to our dashboard, and we secure the dashboard with our authentication guard. So basically what we will do here is we will go back to our dashboard module. So guys, so I was saying that we need actually yes, we need actually to implement our authentication guard. So we will secure the dashboard. So we will redirect all our requests to the dashboard, and we will yes, to the dashboard, and we will secure our dashboard. So every request that is not secure will automatically be redirected to the sign up for the login form. So let's go back here, and we say we want to redirect all the requests to the application, and then to the application, and then the dashboard. So now we will check inside our dashboard our admin routine. Here we will say that we want to secure our we want to secure our route. So here we say just we need equal account activated, and say our account activated will be basically what to not be repetitive. We go back here inside our admin module, maybe I think I do a check here. So we say here yes, I think we get back here in our admin module, because all we will have here. So if you look up this application routines, it say the authentication module will not be secure with the guard, but here we want to secure our application. So we use directly our authentication guard here. So here we use our authentication guard, and we implement this authentication guard. So I need to to do something and I will get back soon. Stay with me. I need to do something and I will get back soon.